National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Lincoln County until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles east of Banks Lake South, or 36 miles northeast of Moses Lake, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Lincoln County.